Hello YouTube, it's Computer Geek here. As you can see, this is another type of video that I'll be doing on my phone actually. Okay, this is about requesting a refund on an app in Google Play Store. Okay, like if you have bought the app and you say, oh, I don't like it, or maybe I changed my mind or something, or that I accidentally bought it. Well, I can help you. If you purchase this app, like I purchased this app 2 months ago. If you have done something like me, like 2 months later or 10 days, 1 day later, you suddenly change your mind that, oh, I don't want this app anymore, I want to request a refund. Okay, actually there will be no refund button right next to the install button on your phone. Actually you have to do it on your computer. I will be teaching you just a second. Okay, now there are a few things that I will be talking about. Okay, please note that if you have made a purchase, so if you just made a purchase on an app, and there will be a refund button right next to the install button. Okay, and you can request a refund just by clicking that button, and Google Play Store will just refund it to you. But after 15 minutes, there will be no refund button right there. Okay, and you have to do it on your PC. It will be much easier. Okay, next, if the purchase that you made is a in-game purchase, then Google can't refund you. Like this app is an in-game purchase, so Google can't refund it to me, but I will use this as a demonstration. Okay, now let's get onto my computer and I will teach you how to do it. Guys, into my PC. Now just open a browser and type Play Store or Google Play Store in the search bar, and go to play.google.com, which is Google Play Store, and you can log into your account. If you're not Google.com, just log into your account on Google Play that you want to request a refund of an app. Okay, after you have logged into that account, just click on the account button and you see this screen. Just go to order history and find the app that you want to request a refund on. Okay, now as you can see, this app will be just a demonstrate. So just click these 3 dots and click report the problem, and select an option which is a reason. And for this video, I'll just choose I no longer want this purchase. Okay, you can just type there that I changed my mind and click on submit, and we will submit this report, and you will receive an email on your phone. Okay, now you can just follow the instruction given on the email that Google sent you to refund this app. Okay, let's go to my phone. Come back, and as you can see, Google has sent me an email that I request a refund on, but actually I can't request a refund on this app. Okay, here. I received a refund request for blah 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 the app, but this is actually a in-game purchase for the app, so Google can't refund me. If it is a in-app purchase and you really want to refund, you can just either contact or email the developer, as it says here. If you're requesting refunds for an app or in-app, it's best to get help directly from the app's developer. Okay, and we will teach you how to request a refund from the developer. You can either just go to Play Store. Oh, not this. The app that you want to request a refund for. Click read more. And now scroll down to the bottom and you will see developer email, developer address. Okay, now you can send an email to the developer email to contact him that you want to request a refund on this app. Okay, that's all for now. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any problem or idea, you can comment down below. And I'll be seeing you soon later. Goodbye.